Welcome to this new podcast, the Kedusha of Shabbat. Together we're going to take an epic journey in trying to understand what is Shabbat, what's the meaning, what's the purpose of this great and mysterious day. We've now, after we finished the festival of Sukkot, the next biblical festival is Pesach, 5 months down the line, 6 months in a leap year, and it seems like a long winter without anything. The rabbis have given us Hanukkah and Purim, but without that from the Torah, there's nothing there. It's an empty winter. How do we use this winter for growth, coming closer to Hashem? But the answer lies in the week. At the end of every week and then at the beginning of every week, we have Shabbat. We have a gift, but it's hidden. We don't really understand what is Shabbat. And even though it's very commendable that a lot of us have spent a lot of time investing in trying to understand the halachot of Shabbat. We learn Masechet Shabbat, one of the biggest Masechet, to try and understand the halachot. When was the last time we went to a shir to understand what is the meaning of Shabbat? What is the significance of all these small acts that we do on Shabbat? The fact that if you take an average lifespan of someone in the 21st century being 81 years, that means he has over 3,500 Shabbats in his lifetime. If you're going to go through 3,500 plus Shabbats, does that not obligate you to try and understand what is the meaning of Shabbat? What can you really take from this day? What are these foods that we have specifically on Shabbat? What are these clothes that we specifically dress and adorn Shabbat with? Why do we have special and unique tefillot? Each tefillah is different on Shabbat. If we stopped and we think about Shabbat, we'd see so many questions. So we have to understand, what is this mysterious day that Hashem gave us, and that from the Torah's perspective, this is what takes us through that dark winter months. Shabbat's a gift from Hashem, and it demands us to take time to really understand it. We're always looking for something new. People love the newspaper because there's news. There's something new that they didn't know yesterday. And when it comes to the festivals, since they only come once a year, there's something new about them, there's something fresh. Every year we look again towards Pesach, we go buy another Haggadah because it's something new. For 12 months we haven't had Pesach, we look forward to it again. But Shabbat's, so to speak, repetitive. Every 7 days we have again Shabbat. So we lose that freshness, we lose that aspect of new, and therefore we never ever spend time, dedicate a shiur, a session to try and understand what is the mitzvah of Shabbat, what's the meaning behind everything we do. And that's what we're going to try and attempt together. Unravel the mysteries, explore new aspects and dynamics of Shabbat. And hopefully these ideas that we're going to share in these podcasts and these shurim not only will be informational, but also be transformative. We'll get a new connection, a new love, a new understanding, a new meaning of Shabbat. And that when we go and we experience another Shabbat, we'll be uplifted. And we'll come to an understanding, really, what do Chazal mean when they coined Shabbat being Me'in Olam Haba? Shabbat is a porthole into the Olam Haba. We'll understand together what that means. So please take this journey together. Subscribe to the podcast, share it with your friends, and let's understand what is the Kedusha of Shabbat. Thank you.